I look like Morticia. Like a cool, sexy Morticia. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am dressed for the occasion because this is home tour part 2. I have a lot of great things to show you. If you have missed part 1, do not worry, I will put the link in the description of this video. In part 1, I showed you guys my living room, so we're gonna skip that part today. But I will be showing you my kitchen, my balcony, the bedrooms, the bathrooms. You know, this place has been undergoing renovations for about a year, but it is almost done. And I always say that because there's always room for improvement. There's always something that needs to be done. But hey, I think I'm in the right spot to show you guys and share with you all as I've been planning to all this time. So why don't we go ahead and get right to it. Kind of like this view. Okay, everybody, this is the foyer. The barely existing one. It is a very small square space, and I have a really cute like holly tree bench here where I put my backpack, my son's backpack. I use the hats to decorate for the time of the year, so you already know it is Christmas time. And you know, you can sit here, put your shoes on, you know, have a conversation before someone leaves if you desire to do that or not. Keys and all that. And guess what else is here? Let me show you. That right there, my friends, that is my kitty toilet. Okay, we walk around and we have, you know, some minimalistic decor. I don't like a lot of junk in my place. This, believe it or not, is wood flooring that my dad and I came up with the idea, and this is the kitchen, my pride and joy. The kitchen, you guys, I love this place. This was the first part of the house that was finished, and we did a lot. This was ridiculous before. I got all new appliances because it was so necessary. All new cabinets in the kitchen that were customized for my place. I also changed the hardware to give it that black and white kind of look. Okay, go in full selfie mode because there's no other way. So you can bathe a baby here. Check this out. So this is my cutting board. I don't have a lot of kitchen space, and I'm sorry, my kitchen is a little dirty, but see? You can actually use this. You can remove it. They sell attachments for these things. It's super cool. It's Kraus is the brand. And then I got a really cool fancy closet that I really liked. And yes, everything's black and white. You know, nothing super fancy, you guys. Just something that kind of meshed with my vibe and idea. Here is the laundry / pantry room. It's tiny, but it works. My place is only 1,000 square feet indoor, and it's 260 extra square feet in the balcony. So it's a small space, but hey, I'm trying to make it work. So come to the laundry with me. Oh, damn. This is kind of my pantry. You guys, this is all I need. Washer and dryer, everything, you know, trying to keep it all as organized as possible. Now this window has been custom ordered, has custom made. You see kind of half of it, but it still gives you the illusion of extra space. Let me show you some more. Okay, we're walking towards this hallway, and we have the guest bathroom and my son's room. I'm gonna show you quickly because, you know, I don't know if he's cool with me sharing much, but Pokemon fan, you know, we have a bunch of Lego sets. Honestly, believe me, this room is better than mine. The guest bathroom, which is also the kid bathroom, but I decided to go with kind of like the blue and white and gold. I think it looks really cute. You know, everything is from Lowe's for the most part, nothing too fancy. I went with gold hardware. We changed the ceiling and we added shiplap pretty much throughout the house. We did not change the tile. I think it kind of worked. I didn't want to go through that process, to be honest with you. You guys have seen the living room, so if you guys want to see more of it, please check out the other review. Let's go to my room. Bathroom first. I decided to buy this super killer mirror, you guys. I love it. It actually has, you know, the light on it changes. You can turn it off as well. And it also has the defogger, which is amazing. Vanity, I even changed the hardware to make it all gold. I kept, again, the original tile, went with the shiplap on the ceiling. Very cute. Nothing too fancy. I just got a new bed, nightstands, I got a cool mirror, and I got some decor from Homery that is really sweet. The lamps for my nightstands are amazing. I actually love them. I think they actually make the room so much cooler. The art on the wall is also from Homery. Really sweet. I will put all the links in the description of this video so you guys can, you know, check it out. Okay, these lamps are super sweet, you guys. And that is the matching frame I also got from Homery. Really, really cool. I love the light on these. Let me show you on my small lamp so I don't have to do a lot of craziness, but check it out. So it has 3 different settings and it looks like a palm tree. It really helps give you a really nice vibe to the room. What do you guys think? And I had to put a lot of storage around. So like shoes are definitely outside my closet. I have my TV with my Xbox and my Switch. All my jewelry is inside this guy here. And it has like a little cute tray, see? And you can see yourself in the mirror. We have my pride wall with my diplomas. And that is my closet. Kind of feel like it could be better in terms of aesthetic. So I'm working on that. I'm gonna see what I can come up with. But let me open it so that you guys can see why this is cool in my opinion. So we have a remote controlled door for my closet, which I think is awesome, really. I love the functionality, you know what I mean? I love the fact that it opens all the way. I love the fact that I can close this with a button. I can open just one door or multiples at the same time. I use the rainbow organization method. Yeah. Before we continue with the home tour, I have to stop and talk to you guys about my friends from Lamomo Signs. This one I have custom made for myself and it's absolutely wonderful. Lamomo is the first LED neon sign company that is inspired in the metaverse, and their goal is really to provide amazing products that help you make your spaces look so cool. So anything from fashion signs, fitness signs, bar signs, and the gaming industry, you can find it all at Lamomo Signs. And for me, I had to go with Paradise because that's where I feel like I live. I'll show you guys in a second the balcony so that you can really understand what I'm saying. My friends at Lamomo helped me throughout the entire process to customize it, especially for my needs. Let me show you now how you can customize your Lamomo neon sign in their independent station online. Okay, let's go ahead and customize a sign at lamomoneo.com. First of all, here you have how your sign will look like. You can turn off the light or you can turn on the light based on what you like to see. Here you get the quote. You can even use your logo. So let's go ahead and do, okay, here we have it. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so let's go ahead and see what else you can do. You can choose any of these fonts. There's so many different ones. Let's go ahead and go with Bridget. Awesome, perfect. Okay, then I'm going to pick a color. So I have the warm white on the Paradise sign that I showed you, but let's go ahead with something different like red. You can pick your size. Let's just leave this small. And then you have the backing. So my backing was the cut to letter, which I believe is the coolest look, see? And then you can select a backboard. I like the clear one, but how about we just go for something fun? Let's do the gold. Okay, you can select your indoor or outdoor usage, and then how you would like to get it installed. Okay, that is the finished product. I think it looks pretty awesome. If I had to order a secondary sign, this would be it. The Lamomo neon lights are low voltage, bright, noise-free, and energy saving. You just plug in the power supply, press the on button, and voila. These personalized neon signs are made of high-quality, environmentally friendly, flexible silicone LED neon strips, and they have thick acrylic backboards. The sign comes with everything you need. You have a little instruction sheet as well as all the installation hardware that you might need. I'm going to test the sign in my bedroom and outside. So you have to tell me what is your favorite place. Okay, the first potential spot is to replace my LifeLink Unflying, which is a node to MTG fans like myself. And guess what? It's not gonna require any drilling. So let's see how this looks. This is gonna be hard to beat, and let me tell you why. I like this location because the cords are fully hidden. I could get used to this. There's no need to put any screws. It's actually held by the mirror frame, which is thick. So that might work. That is gonna be hard to beat. Tell me what you think. Let's go try it in the balcony. It's time for me to show you my most favorite part of the house, the balcony. Yeah, how cool is this? You know, I get to hang out here, you know, Serge gets to hang out here as well. And I have a really nice view. To be honest, I feel so lucky. I purchased this place 4 years ago and, you know, it has required a lot of work, but it's really like the perfect spot for me. I found the perfect spot right behind me. This thing is so lightweight. It worked. I can hide the cables behind my plant. Let's try. If I decide to keep the light here, I would probably go with a timer so that it can be on when I come to the balcony at night. I think that's a really great feature. So now that you have seen both, what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comments. Because these signs look so amazing and they are highly customizable, you can actually offer these as Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, party ideas, decor, etc. So make sure you check out my friends at Lamomo. You can use my code and the link in the description to save some money. I really hope you enjoyed my final home tour and the review of that epic neon sign. Thank you so much to my friends at Lamomo for making this video possible. As always, if you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can also support me on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, as well as amazing photo shoots and amazing perks as well. I will see you guys soon in another one. I was not able to finish my video without construction workers, but it is what it is. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye. This is kind of cool. Man, I need to put my shoes on. Let me show you. Oh man, what is going on? This tripod, let me tell you guys. Hold your horses. I think I'm gonna take this out of the tripod. 1,000 square feet. Let me show you. Can you? Here. You wanna show up in the video? You do. Yes, you do, because you're the cutest little kitty in the universe. How dare you? How dare you look this handsome all the time? Yes, you. You. So dimmable. I swear this is a daily thing. It's a daily thing. Ah! For those of you who stuck around till the end, you get to see the cool dress that I'm wearing. You guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I do not remember who sent me this dress. It's beautiful, really. It's a little scandalous, but hey, you know, you don't really need to see anything if you are not just like being a savage. I appreciate it, you know. I will be wearing it and I hope I did it justice today. I think it fits really nicely. And yeah, thank you so much, you know.